Today I'm back here at this house where we did the butcher block countertop. Today we're doing something a little bit different though. Today we're going to be swapping out this old school linoleum bathroom countertop and blue sink
for a rough cut walnut vanity top that I made and a more modern white rectangular sink, which is really cool.
Well, here's the finished product. Still have to put that drawer back in, and the plumber has to come to attach the drain line. But other than that, it's finished. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you later.